What's up everyone? Hi, this is Arshad Menon from Health and Muscles. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel because I come up with awesome content every week. By the way, I've been getting a lot of requests from a lot of people asking me to share a few vegetarian recipes. So, here I am with soya chunks recipe. Well, if you're a vegetarian and if you're not getting enough amount of protein, soya chunks is the best bet for you. Well, if you people think soya chunks are not tasty, you are doing it wrong. So, let's take you to the video. I'll be making soya chakna, by the way. What you can do is, you can make it for the whole week, as I'm going to be making it for the whole week. And then you can split it accordingly. So, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using for the whole recipe. You can see that I am using ghee out here, but you can choose oil as well. Then I have soya chunks. I'm also using kari patta, jeera, then salt, pepper, chili powder and turmeric. So that's it. That's the only set of ingredients that you're going to be using to make this recipe. So see you on the other side of the video where I'm going to be cooking up soya chunk chakna. So we have lighted the gas. Now the first step is pouring in some oil or ghee in my case. I'm putting in some ghee because I like the flavor of the ghee. So I prefer ghee. All the values will be provided in the video. At the end of the video, I'll be putting up all the macronutrient count as well. And the amount of ghee that I've used will be put up over here. You can check it out over here. Yeah, it should be coming out now. Right? Now, can you see it? Yeah. So, after putting in ghee, I'll be adding cumin seeds and kari patta. That's jeera and kari patta. So, this will give a nice flavor. And also we all know that in all the chaknas we normally add kari patta and jeera to the mix. So, see? So I can see that the kari patta is already dried up and it's become hard. So now is the time wherein I'm going to be putting up the soya chunks. So the one thing that you have to note is you are not supposed to make it wet. You're not supposed to soak it. You're supposed to directly add it to the pan. Right? So now I'll be adding it to the pan and I'll show you the rest of the process. So I've added all the soya chunks to the pan. Now I'll have to keep stirring it. This is the only step that matters. I'm stirring it so that all the ghee or the oil is basically coming in contact with all the portions of the soya chunks so that it becomes crispy. Right, we want our chakna to be crispy. So I'll have to keep mixing. Okay, so this recipe is very good for all those people who are vegetarians and who find having a lot of proteins difficult, because soya chunks, they provide you quality protein, and also in the meanwhile 100 gram of soya chunks gives you around 52 grams of protein. That's like very high amount of protein. So take note that soya chunks are the best bet for you. The other sources of protein for a vegetarian is basically paneer, which is very high on fat, and also cheese, which is again very high on fat. Or you can go with tofu. Tofu is good as well, but tofu is not like paneer. It's a little bland. The taste, not everyone likes it. So you can see right now that it's turning golden brown. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't blacken out. So now I can see that it is very hot and it's turning golden brown. You want to take a peek? Yeah. So this is how it will look. So once this color is obtained, ensure that you people keep stirring it. Otherwise it will burn off. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll just check. It's almost done. I just need to keep it on for say 1 minute or so. I've kept the flame very low. You people can adjust the flame accordingly because I'm shooting the video as well, so I thought I'll keep it low. It'll take a little longer time if you're keeping it low, but in medium flame it should be done faster. That is according to your own personal choice. But over here it's almost done. It's done. So the next step is adding all the spices. I will be adding a little salt to the mix. Now salt according to taste. I'll add chili powder. I like it a little spicy. So chili powder. Turmeric. Not a lot of turmeric within, yeah. A little pepper powder. That's it. Now we'll be mixing the entire thing. Give it a good mix so that all the spices are applied evenly on all the soya chunks. So this is done. That is how you make soya chakna. So I will be switching off my gas. It's yum. So basically, if you talk about the macronutrient split, I have used around 105 grams of soya chunks. So that's approximately 54.6 grams of protein and 21 grams of carb. And since I've used 15 grams of ghee, that's around 12 grams of fat. The entire tally of calories is around 416 calories. Around what? I'll put it somewhere over here, the exact value. Yeah, here. Can you see? Yeah, that's what. That's the exact value of the calorie count and the macronutrient split. Till then, enjoy your soya chakla. Oh, I missed it. I missed it again. Till then, enjoy your soya chakla. That's it for this video. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Enjoy your soya chakla.